Okay, here we have used orange color mixed with cement. The cement has is a bit blue, so when you mix the orange and the blue, you get a greeny color. Here is the mold ready to fill. We fill it through this hole bit by bit, and we have to keep tapping it to get rid of the air bubbles. We casted it upside down, and when we demolded it, we had a few air bubbles. I guess if we had like a vibration machine, maybe we'll have taken these bubbles out. Overall, really happy with the finish, as this is the bottom of the mold and you can really see it when you use it. So here is the final dish. I'm quite happy with the finish and this side, even if I got some air bubbles on the other side. I think it's been a success, this project. I think what I will probably do next is make some holes on the legs so the air bubbles, maybe a 1.5 millimeter hole in each of the legs. So when we fill it up, all the air flows out and the cement fills that gap and it will fill the legs. So I think that will sort out that problem. Also, using a vibration table probably will help with that problem as well. So probably next I will probably do a different color, and I'm planning on doing glass as well, which probably I cast then together. So if you enjoy this project, thumbs up and follow us. Thank you for watching.